boys and girls. I was just stuck in the rain.
Do you know where the rain comes from?
Yes, from the sky.
Yes, rain is when water falls from the sky. Oh, I'm getting wet again. Ooh. Now, I love water. In fact, it's delicious. I like to drink it. Stay healthy. I like to swim in the water. Plants love water. Trees need water. Fish need water. What doesn't need water is my fur when I'm not in the pool. So you will need 3 things. Do you know what those 3 things are?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I'll help you. 1, an umbrella. Can you say umbrella?
Umbrella.
Yeah, that's good. 2, you will need a raincoat. Can you say raincoat?
Raincoat.
That's good. And lastly, you will need a pair of boots. Can you say boots?
Boot.
Yeah, that was good. Let's go down the list again. An umbrella, a raincoat, and a pair of boots. Yes, now you can go outside in the rain and have lots of fun. Yes. So enjoy. And see you later. Wow.